Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I wasn't gonna upload this today, but I'm like, I need to go ahead and finish Vlogmas because my procrastinating ways are peeking through. And yeah, I'm already behind by like a day. Yeah, so if all goes well, I'll be caught up by tomorrow. So yeah, that's the plan. But I'm back with a makeup tutorial today for Vlogmas day 17. Yeah, I am only behind a day. Cool. So I'm gonna be all caught up tomorrow is the plan. But I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Like I've been saying in my past makeup tutorials that I've been uploading on Vlogmas or for Vlogmas, I'm doing 12 days of back up from the mic, Jasmine. Oh my gosh. I'm doing 12 days of makeup. So on my makeup Instagram, you'll see the pictures and stuff of these looks first. So if you want to follow me, my makeup Instagram is @makeupbyjasmine, so go and check that out. And I recently just created a TikTok account, and I actually posted something on there. I only have one video, which is a past video that I've uploaded, but yeah, if you want to follow me on TikTok, which is what all these youngins are using, my TikTok is also Makeup by Jasmine, so check that out. Posted a video yesterday and I just checked it today because I forgot. As of an hour ago, I got like 95 views on it, which is interesting to me because I thought it was going to get like 5. So definitely exceeded my expectations. I'm still trying to figure out how to use TikTok, but hey. But I really ended up, in the end, I loved this makeup look because I did one eye off camera just to save me some time. And when I was doing the eye off camera, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to just wipe this off and start over because it looked like complete and utter crap. But that just goes to show you that it sometimes, or a lot of the times, the makeup look doesn't come together until the very end. And yeah, and in the slow-mos, or not slow-mos, but at the end when I'm like modeling the makeup, my lashes look a little wonky, so just ignore that. I've been using the same lashes for 12 days of makeup, so yeah, I just need to buy new lashes because all of my lashes are like old and crusty, but it is what it is. And also, you guys are gonna see here, I did my face makeup off camera as well to save me some time. And yeah, I need to exfoliate, I need to do a face mask, all of the above, because I've been doing all this makeup on my face, which I don't wear makeup every day, but yeah, y'all can see that, right? Y'all see how caked up that looks, and I hate that because I just did a makeup look, like the brown smoky eye look, and it doesn't look like that. So I know what it is. I just really need to exfoliate my skin and everything. But yeah, this is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all tomorrow for the next day of Vlogmas, which will be a vlog. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I had to think about it for a second. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.